Welcome back to Brno Czechia. We were excited in our previous video to show you our offices and all their fantastic amenities, but those were just our walls. It's our departments and the people in them that make a difference. We're going to explore the unique teams of Brno, discovering how they support our global operations and drive Zebra forward. First stop, the Zebra Product Learning Team, a creative hub dedicated to shaping Zebra's training portfolio, from captivating videos and animations to immersive online courses and blended learning solutions. This team leverages cutting-edge technologies to craft engaging learning experiences for Zebra's products and solutions. The Sales Solution Center team showcases Zebra's state-of-the-art hardware through practical use cases, empowering customers to envision the best applications for their business needs. Their efforts have led to significant milestones, including the successful rollout of Zebra Pay in the Czech Republic in 2023. At the forefront of customer service, the Tech Non-Tech support team in Brno excels in troubleshooting and device diagnostics, ensuring a seamless experience for our customers and partners. Their dedication to customer satisfaction has earned them accolades, with a record-high net performance score in 2023 and a commitment to surpassing expectations in 2024. Comprising of experts in finance, analytics, digital content, and lead management, the marketing team drives sales and fosters communication with marketers. Their strategic efforts have yielded impressive results regarding content curation, global localization guidance, next-generation reporting, digital marketing content, impactful creative and strategic work, and the generation of over 14,000 qualified leads in 2023. Design experts. The 26 Studios production team was formed here in Brno in 2023. They supported all co-marketing, ad adaptations, and general asset update projects, accounting for 2/3 of the production requests submitted to the agency in 2023. The team completed over 1,800 assets last year, including support for WorkCloud and robotics automation brands, as well as the creative assets supporting SKO. Ensuring top-tier device quality and service across 50-plus repair locations worldwide, the repair quality team guarantees exceptional repair services and valuable data and analytics insights for customers. Operational support to Zebra Repair Service Centers through continuous and proactive improvement activities, striving for zero defects. Their commitment to excellence is evident in Repair Services' outstanding 4.5 out of 5 customer satisfaction rating. The Order Experience team, recognized for its customer-centric approach, manages Zebra's end-to-end customer order journey. In addition to booking orders, they assist with pre- and post-booking inquiries, providing support and solutions for hardware service contracts and software-as-a-service products. Responsible for global service materials and spare parts management, the supply chain team focuses on efficient stock management and cost savings. Their initiative in 2023 led to reduced inventory and streamlined inventory solutions, optimizing operations and enhancing efficiency. The engineering and R&R team provides technical support for repair processes, addressing hardware and software issues with precision. Their cost-saving measures and innovative solutions, such as utilizing local suppliers for fixtures, underscore their pivotal role in ensuring effective technical solutions. The finance team, with 150-plus members, delivers comprehensive finance services to EMEA, NALA, and APAC, leveraging technology for streamlined operations, enhanced efficiency, and powerful business insights. Their contributions were recognized in 2023 by the ABSL Diamond Award in the category of Value Creation, validating their role as important business partners, driving our company's success. The Partner Interaction Center, PIC team, part of the Sales Transformation Organization, supports Zebra's global partners and internal colleagues, offering assistance on products and services. The PIC aims to enhance the partner experience by providing a reliable point of contact. This fosters strong relationships and contributes to smooth operations within Zebra. Not just overseeing recruitment, benefits, and payroll deadlines, HR is the powerhouse behind the scenes, from the moment new talent joins our family to the farewells of offboarding. The team also administers and manages employee records with precision and security. HR is dedicated to our Zebras. The business analytics team is part of Services product management structure, responsible for analyzing and tracking activity in the customer success and services organization. They're a small, high-value team that generates crucial reports for top-level business decisions. Their data enhances company performance, supports key processes like services planning, forecasting, sales compensation, and profitability, and plays a vital role in strategic services projects. Global Managed Services and Solutions, a team of service professionals, has been providing excellent services to our customers, including offering remote assistance with Zebra devices, expert project management, seamless change and release management, insightful business analytics, and precise performance monitoring to ensure operational excellence and customer delight. As we wrap up our spotlight, our teams by no means end here. There are countless other teams and individuals here in Brno that provide equally as significant impacts on our local and global operations. Room enough, perhaps, for a third video in our series. At the Zebra Brno offices, we pride ourselves on fostering a diverse and inclusive environment where we host and facilitate our employees both here and abroad, while also supporting our local community. Finally, as we mark a significant milestone, our 20th anniversary in Brno, we're more grateful than ever for the incredible people who have been instrumental in our journey. We look forward to thriving together and to the next chapter of our story. Until next time, stay connected with Zebra Brno.